I know I may have sometimes those crusty and dry lips, especially during those winter months. I need something to take care of it. And I mean, it's always great, you know, self-care. So here is a do-it-yourself to help you keep your lips smooth and soft. Well, it definitely helps mine. You have to try it yourself, obviously, but here we go. So first you're going to need some sugar, brown sugar I'm using here. This is good for exfoliation. Next is oil of your choice that adds moisturizer. I'm using olive oil, and honey for hydration. You can flavor it accordingly, and I'm going to make me a lemon drop flavor, which is refreshing in my opinion. So go ahead, grab a bowl to mix in a container. So next, mix it together until the scrub is evenly distributed throughout. Once done, place some of the mixture scrub into your container, and that is it. You now have your do-it-yourself lip scrub. Go ahead, try that thing. You can go ahead and taste that thing because all of this is eatable. It should be a thick, grainy texture. Apply once or twice a week during your daily regimen, whatever you prefer. And go ahead, like and comment with other mixtures and products that you use. Also, go ahead and put some comments below of self-care things that you do.